Hello everyone, thank you for joining us and for your persistence to be at this level. Now today we want to look at how to automate processes based on durations. How to automate process. For example, if I want my program to do something for me at a particular set of time without me actually doing such thing manually. So now in Kali Linux or Unix-like operating system, there's what we call Crontab. The Crontab is what is used to actually schedule processes. It's what is used to schedule processes within a network or within a Unix-like operating system. So we want to learn how to automate tasks with Crontab. Now we will learn about cron job and how to automate tasks in Linux environment, as I told you, using Crontab. This will help us to understand task automation, and which is essential for system administrator to enable routine tasks or to run without manual intervention and to improve efficiency and reliability. So we want to cut short or want to cut off manual intervention in routine tasks. So that is what we want to do now. And what is cron itself? A cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like operating system. That is actually what cron is all about. Cron is a time-based job scheduler in Unix-like operating system. It allows users to run script or command at a scheduled interval automatically. It allows users to run a script or command at a scheduled interval automatically. And now it is ideal for tasks that need to be executed regularly, such as backup, system update, and log rotations. So the cron tab has a file. It's a simple text file that contains a list of commands meant to run a specific time. Now we have also peer users and system-wide Crontab. Each user can have their own Crontab files, allowing them to schedule their job. We can also have a system Crontab which contains system-wide job and is typically managed by the root user. Now, creating and scheduling tasks with Crontab, there are different ways to do that. First of all, we need to edit the Crontab file by using the command crontab -e, which will open the user's Crontab files in the default text editor. Now it also has a cron job syntax. Then the markdown format is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which represent minutes, hour, day, month, and day of week. So down to minutes is from 0 to 59 minutes, which 0 still is counted. Remember, a minute is 60 minutes, so the 0 is also part of it. So 0 to 51 minutes. Hour is 0 to 23 hour, which is 24 hours, as we all know. Then day is 1 to 30. Day of the month is 1 to 31 day. Then the day of a month is 1 to 12 months in a year. Then day of the week is 0 to 7, which include Sunday. Sunday is 0, is both for 0 and 7. So that is actually how to schedule a task with Crontab. Now let us get to the practical aspect of it, having understand the theoretical perspective of Crontab. Let's go to the practical aspect. Let's say we want to learn how to run a script every day at 3 a.m. Let's say every day at 3 a.m. or every day. Now what is our time? And this is 9:49. This is 1:49 over here. So let's say we'll make it 1 minute. Let's say every day at 1:50. So let's see how it is. Every day at 1:50. So remember, I start with day, hour, days, hour, month, and so on and so forth. So go back to your listing. Now let's look at this a script we want to automate. Now this is a script we want to automate. Let's say, okay, let's create a simple script. Let's call it update script. Let's say touch. Let's say update. Let's say update .sh, a script that will be updating our operating system regularly. So we'll create it. So let's nano it to write it a file, nano update .sh. So now we want to write the script. Remember our distance. Remember the bash declaration /bin bash. So this script will automate, let's say, sudo apt update. Sudo apt update. So enter. So let's change the mode, chmod plus x. So if you run this script now manually, let's run this manual update .sh. You can see to ask us for password, Kali. So you can see now that it will update our system for us manually. This is actually a manual way of doing it. But now we want to automate these processes. We want to automate these processes so that it will update it for us without actually us doing it on our own. So let's get a look at it. So to run the Crontab on the terminal, all you need to do is to type Crontab minus E is to help to execute the Crontab. So it will ask you what editor do you want to use. Do you want to use Nano? Do you want to use Vim? Or do you want to use Vim Basic or Vim? So we want to use Nano editor. So enter one. So we enter one. Now this is the file terminal for Chrome. All you need to do right now is to what? Go down where you want to add your Chrome. So look at what it gave you. You say edit this file to introduce tab to run by Chrome. Each task run and so on and so forth. You can read that on your own. So for example, you can run a backup for all your user account at 5 a.m. every week with this. Now, but this is what we want to do. We want to run a task. Remember, we created a file for update. So we want to run a file, and therefore, for example, let us see how now to run a file, to run a script every day at 3 a.m. All you need to do, remember that in Chrome, let me explain. In Chrome, this is how it is: ***2 3 **3. So it's 5. It's actually 5 each day. This means this is minute, hour, day, month, and year. That's what it means. Minute, hour, day, and so on and so forth. So if you want to specify, for example, now you want to run a script. You want to run a script every day at 3 a.m. or every day at whatever. So you put 0, which means minute, 0 minute, then 3 at 3, that is 3. Now each day, this is 1. So each day you run that for each day. So this one will be 0 0. And then you specify the file of where the script is. Now to run a command every 5 minutes. Now you want to run a command every 5 minutes. That means this is star means every. This means slash here means every 5 minutes. Then every day for every every minute. Then to run a job every Sunday at a specific time, only Sunday at a specific time, remember 0 means Sunday, 1 means Monday, 2 means and so on and so forth. So you want to run it every Sunday at a specific time, so at 2:30 and so on and so forth. So now we want to specify this. Now what we want to do now, want to run a code or want to run a distance. Now our time is 14:10, so we want to run it at 14:12. So to run it at 14:12, now let us run a script at 12, let's say PM every day. So to do that, we'll specify it. So we'll specify the time 12, right? So 12, which will represent the time, then 14, which represent the hour, then every. So we'll specify where the file is. It will be home Kali. It is now in home Kali, then it is inside download /update.sh. that is where our file is. So let's comment this other one. Let's comment these other ones. So it will be only that one running. So be only that one running. So let's comment this. So our script will be running every 11:12. Let's make it 11:12. So and so on. So let us save. All you need to do, save and close. So we have finished our distance. So at 2:12, this at 2:12 PM, this script will execute. So let's watch and see. Now it's 2:12 and see. Now to see whether it is actually working or not, check your Crontab. Crontab -L. L is to check for existing cron. So enter now. Let's see. Let's check our Crontab. Please let's check it whether it is running. Oh, there's mistake. Let's check it again. Sorry. So remember now is our time now is already 2:12. So let's make it 2:14. So 14. Run a script at 2:14 PM every day. So you need to do is what? 14 star dash. Now what is the password? This home Kali download /update.sh. So save. So you ask you, yes, it asks you, do you want to retry the same? You say yes. So save. What it is? Chrome for Kali using an empty one Chrome. Installing new Chrome. Cannot install you. Let's say. Let's make it 16 and let's resolve our issue. Okay, the issue was because of this thing we didn't comment. This thing that we didn't comment here. So let's make it 15. We are already in 14, so let's make it 15. Save. Close. So you see now installing a new Chrome. So it is now working. Let's wait a minute time. and see what it will give us. So this is how you actually know how you actually set your time to automate processes to run by itself. So 15. So it's already 15. Now let's see whether it's running. Let's say cron. To check for existing running cron, just type crontab -L. Look at it, it's telling us what? Running what? So this is the one that is running at this hour. So our system has been updated. Now to stop it or to close the cron, just do crontab -R to remove the cron. So you can undo -R. So if you type it again, crontab -L now, you will see that it will say no crontab for what? Kali. So this is how you automate processes and so on and so forth. Thank you for joining us in this session. Please stay tuned as we continue in the next session.